Planning to attend a business meeting or conference in Malta but not sure where to start? You're not alone. Many professionals struggle with business visa applications, not because it's too complex, but because they are unsure which documents matter most or what to expect during the process. I'm Samson from Law and Visas, and I'm here to break it down simply so you know exactly how to move forward. If you're heading to Malta for a short business event, like a meeting, seminar, or industry conference, you need a short stay Schengen visa for business purposes. Step 1. Confirm the purpose of your trip. You need a formal invitation letter from the company or event organizer in Malta. This should include your name, the reason for your visit dates, and who's covering the expenses. Step 2. Gather your supporting documents. This includes a valid passport with at least 3 months left after your return, completed visa application form, 2 recent passport-sized photos, travel insurance with minimum 30,000 euros coverage, proof of accommodation, flight booking, evidence of ties to your home country like a work letter or business registration, financial documents like bank statements, and if your company is paying for the trip, include a sponsorship letter. Step 3. Apply through the appropriate Malta embassy or visa center. This depends on your location. Some countries use a third-party center like VFS Global. Step 4. Be ready for an interview. The embassy may ask you questions to confirm your travel plans, your professional background, and who's covering the costs. Processing usually takes 15 working days, so apply early, ideally at least 3-4 weeks before your travel date. Tip: double check whether the conference is hosted by a government or EU-backed organization. You may qualify for a fee waiver. And if you're applying from outside your home country, make sure your residence permit allows it. At Law and Visas, we help Nigerian professionals navigate business visa applications with clarity and confidence so you can focus on your opportunity, not the paperwork. Still unsure about your application? Leave a comment or share your travel plan below. I'll help walk you through it. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and click the subscribe button for more real-world visa advice that actually helps.